In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Jotform product invoicing. If you're looking to harness the power of Jotform for invoicing, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to log into your Jotform account, head over to the Jotform website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you have the option to either open an existing form or start fresh with a new one. This flexibility allows you to tailor your invoicing setup based on your specific needs. With your form open, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll find the form elements. Click on it and then select Payments. This is where you'll choose a payment gateway that suits your needs. Popular choices include PayPal, Stripe, and Square, among others. Even if you don't plan to collect payments right away, selecting a gateway is essential because it gives you the functionality needed for invoicing. Now let's enable product selection. In the payment field wizard, choose the Sell Products option. This is crucial because it defines the purpose of the payment field. Click on Add Product to begin listing your items. Here, enter essential details like product name, price, and a brief description. If you offer product variations, such as different sizes or colors, consider setting up quantity options to give your clients more choices. This is your opportunity to showcase all the products you have available, so be thorough as you repeat this step for each item you want to include in your inventory. Next, let's talk about adding optional elements like taxes, discounts, and shipping. These features add layers to your invoicing. For taxes, you can set a fixed rate or a percentage, depending on your local requirements. Discounts are a powerful marketing tool. Whether through coupon codes or automatic discounts, they're an excellent way to entice customers. And if you're shipping physical products, don't forget to add shipping costs, as they can significantly impact the final price. Jotform helps you ensure that your customers know exactly what they're paying for. The form automatically calculates the total price based on the products selected. However, if you need advanced features, the form calculation widget is at your disposal. This widget allows for more complex scenarios, ensuring your calculations are precise. Finally, it's crucial to test your form. Preview it to see exactly what your customers will experience. Test various product selections and quantities to ensure all calculations are accurate. If you've enabled payments, submitting a test entry will verify that the payment and submission processes work without a hitch. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up Jotform product invoicing. With these features at your fingertips, you can confidently move forward knowing your invoicing needs are met with precision. Thank you for watching and happy invoicing.